Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So we have a bit of a small haul today. Got a few things for the pantry and for next year's garden. So if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. And then I'm going to have to finish up on the mustard pickle, so I wanted to knock this out. So we'll start out with I got 3 pounds of green lentils, and I believe these are all organic and grown in the USA. So we got green lentils, 3 pounds of garbanzo beans, and 3 pounds of green split peas. And you can use these bags afterwards. They have a drawstring, so that's kind of cool to store whatever in. Garden tools or whatever. And then, where did I put the directions? I put the picture thing somewhere. Oh, right here. I got this thing, which you can't tell what it is, but it's a basket to put your fruits, veggies, whatever in on the counter, because I'm kind of tired of cucumbers and tomatoes and stuff being everywhere. I know I won't have those till the end of the year, but fall probably have onions and whatever else. I got a 2-pound container of arborio rice, so if you want to make risotto or whatever, you can do that, just to switch up, you know, if you have to eat it. And then I got a 16 package box of 1-pound boxes of orzo, just a different type of pasta. One of these is leaking. I got some chickpea flour to make like pokura. I don't know if I say that right. P-O-K-U-R-A. If you like onion rings, or you can use any vegetable, what have you. It's Indian food. Really good, so just an alternative. And if you need gluten-free, that might be an option for you. If you love onion rings, you'll love onion pokura. I got some yellow split peas. This is a 2.2 pound bag, and all these types of beans, your lentils, split peas, things like that, they cook a lot faster and don't require as much water as your traditional beans. I got a blanket cover to do a tunnel type garden, you know, for your garden, because with the weather the way it was this year, I'm assuming next year it'll be the same. So I figure if I can start the garden earlier, because my bok choy bolted, my peas bolted, everything bolted before it even grew to maturity because of the heat. So I'm thinking I will plant early, and then I can keep it warm with these. So, and this is the hoops to put the cover over, and these are some clamps to hold it down because it gets windy in Oklahoma. I got a package of different types of fingernail files and buffers. You want to make sure you're taking care of your nails. if you get ridges on your toes or your fingernails, those can actually grow to where your nail starts deforming or actually split. So you want to make sure you take care of your nails, and if nothing else, buff those ridges down on your toes and fingers. And then I got my husband some Levi's 505s. Let's check the zippers. You want to check the zippers on any of the clothes that you're getting because they are rusting. They're rusty when you buy them, and people are having to replace their zippers, so that just kind of doubles the price of your jeans, your pants. So check your slacks, your jeans. If you're shopping out at the store, you check them before you leave the store. So I got him those to add to his Christmas. And then if you saw my video the other day, we got 2 packages of these rolls. So we might have another sandwich of some sort with maybe some soup one day. And that is it. That's all I have in this haul today. And if you haven't heard, Scotland cut down 14 million trees to put up a wind farm. So explain that to me, Ollie, on how that's eco-friendly. And the inflation bill offers you $7,500 rebate if you buy an EV. Well, the thing is Ford and GM. Ford raised their prices by $7,500 and GM raised theirs by $8,500. And I will post links to those stories down below, and I might add a few others for you to just check out on some of the crazy that's going on in the world right now. So anyways, that is my haul for today. I'm going to finish up these mustard pickles so I can get that video up tomorrow. And you all stay safe, you stay healthy, and enjoy these cooler temperatures if you're getting them. And I will see you in the next video.